Right, here's our backing track for King of My Heart for the keyboard part. And I made one little change on here if you'll refer to your sheet. When we go through this verse right here, this happens 2 times. Okay, I didn't have that previously in the video, so make sure we do that verse 2 times. One more thing is the intro. At the top right corner, we have our chords for the intro. Okay, someone needs to count 1, 2, 3, 4 in your praise and worship band before you start. Then you jump in, and if you know your chords, you'll be able to follow that intro. But let's go ahead and get going here. All right. So 1, 2, 3, intro.
Let the King of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, He is my song. Let the King of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, He is my song.
Chorus.
You are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh,
2 more times.
you are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good.
Next verse.
And let the King of my heart be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. Oh, He is my song. Let the King of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, He is my song. Let the King of my heart be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. Oh, He is my song. Let the King of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my day. Oh, He is my
The
song.
chorus.
You are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good.
Then the bridge. 1.
You're never gonna let me down.
Second time.
You're never gonna let me down. You're never gonna let me down. You're never gonna let me down. You are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh,
2 more.
you are good, yes, you're good.
Play it softer. The last time, stretch it out.
You are good, you're good.
All right, so as you play along with that, see if you can keep up. If you make a mistake during it, don't stop the video and start over. See if you can get back on. We all make mistakes all the time. The trick is just to try to jump back on and keep going, okay? So God bless you learning that, and we hope you do well.